Hello and welcome. My name is Matthew Thayer, guys. I'm super excited to share this information with you. The person that invited you to this video is extremely excited about this opportunity. I'm going to basically share, guys, two things. I'm going to show you one, how you can start to participate in the world of investing, but then also two, I'm going to show you how to make some residual income sharing this opportunity. So I'm going to share my screen, guys, and I'm going to jump right into it. So welcome to Akashx. But before I jump into Akashx itself, I want to talk about this first. A guy by the name of Robert Kiyosaki wrote a book called Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Now, this book is actually known to be the #1 best-selling business finance book of all time. In the book, he talks about how 95% of the world only understands how to leverage themselves. That's all we're taught, right? We're taught to go to school, get good grades. Once we get the good grades, we can basically use the piece of paper to get a good job and then do that for 40 years of our life to hopefully retire off 40% of our income. And a lot of people, that's what they spend their whole entire life doing. Well, Robert talks about how if you want true financial freedom, if you want to be able to have time and money, you have to learn to leverage other things. You have to learn to leverage either your money or you have to leverage a system. See, 5% of the world understand this. And that's why they have their hands on 95% of the world's wealth. I'm going to share with you guys today how you can now learn to leverage your own money, but then also leverage this system and start to make some passive residual income. Now, before I jump into everything, I want to talk about what Akashx is. It is a new platform, guys, that is leveraging technology in order to help you guys be able to invest in the markets and be successful. It's a first-class educational platform. It was developed here in 2020. It's operating in over 200 plus countries, and it is way different than anything else that's out there. Now, what makes up the trading industry? Most people don't really know what even trading is. You might have seen, CNBC, you might have seen the stock market, people talking about Apple, Google. Well, the stock market did only 95 trillion total in 2021. The Forex market, guys, does $7.7 trillion per day. The crypto market actually eclipsed over $1 trillion as of recently. And those three major markets, guys, make up the trading industry. Now, hundreds of companies have flooded the market trying to teach people how to trade. Again, what makes us different is we've made something that's super complex and we've made it simple. And I'm going to share with you guys how that's possible. Now, 50% of jobs are going to be eliminated by 2030 due to AI. So what we've decided to do is bring some new software that allows anybody from any background participate in the trading industry. Introducing Tap to Trade. Now, what is Tap to Trade, guys? It's very simple. You basically just have to connect your broker, receive trade signals from our team, hit the trade alert, guys, approve those trades, and the trade will automatically be taken on your broker account for you. Now, the team can manage these trades for you. You can secure your own profits if you would like, if you understand what you're doing. But the team will secure the profits for you guys. This is your account. This is your money. We don't touch your money. You can withdraw your money with your own broker at any time. But this is a system, guys, that is helping people all over the world that know absolutely nothing about trading start to see some results. You can see here from Jenna Zweigel, wife of the CEO Josh Zweigel, made over $2,400 in one day utilizing Tap to Trade. We have another person that made a little over 70 bucks. It really depends on what you have in your account, but it allows you to participate in trading without really knowing what you're doing. So that's phase one. Just get inside, start to see some trades, guys, and start to make your money work for you. Then we go into phase two, which is now you can start to learn how to actually trade on your own. So we suggest going through the Academy. Now, the Academy, guys, we're going to start you off with the beginning stuff, right? Like, what is Forex? Then we're going to teach you what support and resistance is, chart frames, what's a trend, identifying different indicators and patterns in the market. Then we're going to lead you through the advanced stuff. And we're going to teach you different strategies. But we've taken this idea a step further. Because let me ask you something. If you had a course that Bill Gates decided to give you, and he said, hey, I'm going to walk you through where I started to where I am now, and I'm going to teach you all of my strategies. I'm going to teach you exactly what I did, so then you can have what I have. How valuable would that be? Well, that's exactly what we do here, guys. All of our educators what they do is they go through an entire academy with you, taking you from the beginning stuff all the way to the advanced things on exactly how they trade and what they do. So you can actually understand specific strategies to be profitable in the market. And once you've gone through the academy, you can also now start to hop on their live sessions. So all throughout the day, guys, you can pick whatever works for your time, and you can hop on and you can go through, their live session where you can actually see them live looking at the market. They're even going to provide some trade ideas live with you where you can actually earn while you're still learning. And that leads us into phase 4, where you can now receive trade alerts as well. Now, the trade alerts will give you some analysis, it'll give you the inputs to put into your broker, but this is where you can start to now be independent. Now you know what to look for, you know how to vet these different trade alerts, and you can decide, hey, do I want to take this trade or not? And then a step beyond that is just doing everything independently. We also have some scanners that will identify the market for you, look for profitable trade setups, and you can take these trades whenever you would like. So if you're a morning person, you want to trade in the morning, you can trade in the morning. If you want to trade at night, you can trade at night. Once you've gotten through 4 phases, guys, now you're a professional independent trader. Now, really, there's 3 different ways to fund your broker account. You can use demo money and hook up that to tap to trade. You can also use prop firm money. You can use TradeX Mastery, and you can get access from anywhere from $25,000 all the way up to $200,000 in funding that you can trade with, so then you don't have to put up your own money. And then you also can just start a live account with maybe $50, $100, $1,000, whatever works for you financially. But there's 3 different ways to start your broker. Now, to get access to everything that I just talked about, there's no add-ons, guys. There's no extra costs. It's $149. Now, that'll give you access, like I said, to Tap to Trade, the scanners, the academy, all of the live sessions, guys, for $149.